Hello. Okay, the reason you cannot see all the setting here because you are skipping the set configuration set wizard when you first open, but it's okay. You can go to configuration at the top left, then you can go to configuration wizard. After you go that, yes, then you will see this screen. It's a welcome screen. This one is up to you, remove or not, but you just go next. The second one, you need to select the printer you have. Example, for my case is MK3S. It's thick here and it's using 0.4 mm nozzle. Of course, if you change nozzle, you can select others. And also we got a MK3, MMU2, just like the one you have. For your case, I think it's MK3 0.4 mm nozzle. After that, go next. And this one is SL1, which is the new printer. But if you don't have, you just deselect it. Next. And then after that you go just continue going next until finish. It will show up here. Then you will see the print bed become like this, exactly like your printer. This only mean you are finished installation. And also make sure your software is Prusa Slicer 2.0 version 2, because they got latest update now. You can download from the official website. And also when installation, don't skip the wizard, just go, it will be fine. And it will automatically arrange everything setting. Then you will see a lot of setup here, different material, different filament. You normally use generic PLA, or you can generate like my one. I got B3D PLA. It's a special PLA I make it myself. And also like select the layers, and also select if you got more than one machine, one type of machine, you can select from here. Okay, that's it.